In this lecture, I will show you how you must use the media library. Alright, today I'm going to show you what the media library is and how you must use the media library. Click on media and click on library. Right over here. I'm going to add some media to the library. But first I want to show you the logo that we just created. That is saved right over here. So all your files, all your images that you use in WordPress are saved in your media library. So I'm going to click on add new. And I'm going to scroll the way down. And I'm going to click on select files. And I'm going to select the two phones. I'm going to wait. So these are the two phones that we are going to use. I'm going to click on this one. Okay, we're going to use this for a slider. We're going to activate the slider in the next lecture. So I hope I'll see you soon. And thank you for being my student. And I will see you in my next lecture. Okay.